Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're well today. Today I'm doing a different video, and it's a haul video, which means I went shopping. I love shopping. I actually love shopping. I could shop all day, but yeah, the money is not really coming in that much, so I shouldn't shop as much. But yeah, it was a shopping day for me this week, and I shopped in River Island. I bought a few things from Pretty Little Things, and I went to Primark as well. I'm gonna show you guys what the things I've bought look like, and yeah, and just I don't know, and just keep them if they look good, and don't keep them and obviously take them back if they don't look as good on me. But yeah, I'm quite excited actually because I've never done a whole video. I've always said I was going to do it actually. When I did my video introduction, I said I was going to do like fashion video, but I've not done any of them. So this is my first one. I'm quite excited for it. So yeah, I'll take you with me. No, I'm just what I'll do now. I'll try the clothes on and show you guys what it actually looks like on me, and give you my my views on them, if they look good or how the material looks. But yeah, this is what the trousers and the grey jumper look like. They're both from River Island. They both fit really well. It's got like this trouser's got like an elastic band just around the corner here, from not the front but just at the back and on the side. The jumper is really elastic as well, thick material. And one thing I really care about is the sleeve, because I've got really long arms. Whenever I buy tops, I always have to check that they actually fit me, like the sleeve bit fits properly and it's not too short, because most of them like reach like down here and it's too short for me. But these are really long and fit properly. So this one I really like. I actually like this combination together. Looks really good. The back, I think it looks quite fine. It fits fine. Okay, so these are the trousers from Primark. This is what they look like. They're high-waisted. They fit really well. I do like the trousers. I don't think they look okay. Like they don't look as nice with this top. I think if I was wearing a different top, they would look a lot better. I like how high-waisted they are, because I do like high-waisted trousers and stuff like that, just because I feel like they can stuck in your stomach if you've got something. And yeah, and I like the feet of these because they're quite tight at the waist area, and they make me look like I have a butt. I don't know what's the Instagram pose like. I don't know what they pose like. They pose like weird, like I don't know, like either like that. I don't know how to do it like that. I don't know. They've got like a weird pose on there. The girls on Instagram, but they look like they've got like massive butt. But yeah. So yeah. Okay, so these are the trousers from Primark. I really like these as well. They are really tight, literally cutting off my circulation because they're really tight on my waist area. But I like the feet. I like the feet of them. Fitting is great, apart from the thick waist area. And again, these trousers, like the other ones, make me look like I have a butt. I love the color. I love this color. It's like pastel pink. I love it. And yeah, I don't know. It's from Primark as well. As I said, I don't know how much it was because I need to find the receipt, I guess. But yeah, I mean, yes. I need to stop. I also got this workout leggings from Primark, and they look really good. And they're actually quite tight on the waist and they don't like slip off, which is really good, because sometimes you can get some workout trousers or some workout gear from like store, and what they do, they're not as tight on your waist, and when you like work out you can feel them like slipping off. And these are really good. They're literally like tight on the waist and they're not fall off. They're quite long as well. I think the bottom bit from my ankle reaches my ankle, which is good. It's not too short. I've been telling myself I was going to start going to the gym, but I've delayed it. But I'm definitely going to start now that I've got the gear to go. So yeah, that's it. I think that's everything that I got from Primark now, and I'm going to try some things from Pretty Little Things. Everything I'm wearing is from Pretty Little Things. These, I swear, I actually bought jeans, but these are jeggings. Okay, I didn't go for jeggings. I don't know why they sent me jeggings, but I'm gonna check on the website again and look at this picture. But I'm 100% sure that these were, I actually picked jeans, but I was sent jeggings, and they are tight. You know what? They're not even tight in my waist area, because like, look, this is how wide it is on my waist. But on my legs, like, it was a struggle to actually put them on. I'm still trying to pull them off. This is how tight they are on my legs. They're literally not fitting. I've been looking for a barbell top for like forever, but I actually want one that looks like that one, that's got like a sleeve on the side and not attached to them, like, but because this is like attached on the side. I don't know, they've been stitched like little sleeves, and I wanted something like this. But when I looked at the website again, the woman that was wearing it, hers was longer, and this is a lot shorter than what I wanted, because it doesn't look like what I see on the website. It looks totally different. So I'm quite disappointed about the jeggings jeans that I thought I was gonna get, and the barred top, because it's not as long as I wanted. Let's talk about material. The material, it's quite thin, but it's double layered. So you've got like a layer for the like boobs area, like an extra layer for that, and then you've got this layer which is quite thin, but it's not a bad top. I'm wearing these jeans. They're actually jeans. They are actually jeans. They're not jeggings. This jeans from Pretty Little Things again, white. They are quite short on the ankles, but I guess this is the style, so they don't come all the way down. But I guess this is the style. I don't mind anyway. And I've been looking for some pair of like white jeans. I mean, they're quite tight, but again, I don't know if I'm guessing everything from Pretty Little Things is like that, but they're quite tight on my tight legs area. I actually like them now. I like them. No, wait. Can you guys see how my knee? How you can actually see like every detail in my knee. It's too tight. It's actually too tight. So it's enough for me. I then got this jumper dress from again Pretty Little Things. It's horrible. No, I actually hate this dress. It looks horrible. It's tight on my shoulders, and as you can obviously see, it's see-through. You can see my underwear, you can see my bra, you can see my organs, you can see everything. This is a see-through dress, and it's meant to be, it's quite thick. I mean, it feels thick, but obviously you can see literally everything is not as thick as I thought. I mean, it doesn't even look pretty. It doesn't even look as good as it looked on the model. I just, no. This dress is a no. Okay, then I've got this other dress again, which is beautiful. I actually like love the dress. I love the way it feels, and I just love the fitting. And it's probably see-through as well. It is see-through. It's not as much as the other jumper dress I was wearing. It's not see-through as that, but it is quite see-through. I feel like if you wear this, you don't have to wear a bra, or if you do, you might have to wear one of those bras that haven't got the they're not as close. You know, like you can get the one that are quite separate. Here, I don't know what they're called, but yeah, you should probably wear one of those bras. This does cover pretty much the opening or your bra area, your boobs area anyway, so it is quite covered. The only issue I have is the material is made, and it's saying it's like made of paper. This is what it feels like. It feels like it's made of paper. It's that thin, and it's one of those dresses that you need to iron. So the issue I have is, if you're gonna iron this dress, you have to be careful. Like, I mean, I'm telling you, like, extra careful, because I feel like you're gonna iron this dress and then the dress is just gonna melt into the iron because it's that thin. It's actually really thin, and I actually love this color, and I think it looks great in dark skin. This mustard yellow color, I think it looks amazing. But the only issue I've got is the material of the dress, and it's gonna be an issue ironing, unless you use like a steamer, I guess. Maybe then use safe. I think that's what you need to do with this dress. You don't have to iron, because it's quite dangerous if you iron, but use a steamer. It's actually quite, I mean, I don't think it does move, like it doesn't actually like open. It does wing, I think. I mean, it feels quite tight, but I don't know. I looked at, okay, when I bought this jumpsuit thing, I looked at the model and she looked great. Ugh. I mean, I actually didn't expect the V to be this long. Okay, I didn't look as long on her. I think on her it looked like up to here, which I thought it wasn't as bad. But this is like all the way down to my stomach. I don't know where is it going to my intestine. Kind of. If I was comfortable wearing something like this, I would wear it because I actually really like the I like the jumpsuit. I actually like it. If it wasn't this, I guess if it wasn't this vlog, if it was like more of something like that, I probably would wear it. But because it's not, I'm not actually gonna keep this jumpsuit. I mean, it's beautiful, but it's not me. The fitting is great though. I mean, it fits beautifully. I guess there's some people that will look amazing on this and they will keep it. It makes sense, but I personally will not be keeping it because I also got this from Pretty Little Things, which is like a I don't know, like a set, kind of like a, I don't know, jumper set, I think you want to call it. I don't know what you can call it, but I actually really like this. I love the colour because purplish burgundy is one of my favourite colour. I like this, but there's one detail. It's again see-through. Obviously, let me see if you can, obviously you guys from here you can see that it's see-through. You can see my underwear, you can see my bra, again you can see my everything, literally everything. I don't know what's with Pretty Little Things. What is the problem? Why does every one of your clothing have to be see-through? Okay, who goes out wearing see-through clothing? Okay, especially if you're wearing jumpers. Why does your jumper have to be see-through? They're meant to be thick and cover you, not the opposite. So please get your, I don't know, whoever's doing your clothing, please fire them and get them to like do proper clothing, because no one goes around wearing see-through clothing. But it's see-through, and I actually don't want to go around like walking like this and everyone can see what I'm wearing, like my underwear or what I ate yesterday. Okay, no one wants to see that. You know what you should do, Pretty Little Things? You should put in every clothing that is see-through, so people can see your internal organs next to it, so that people know what they're buying beforehand. Coat here from jacket from Pretty Little Things, and it's really, I'm gonna try it on. Okay, I love the colour. I love it. It's red, but I love it. The material, the fleece inside is really, I think it's quite thick actually. It's quite like a thick fleece, and it's really, I feel like it's going to keep you really warm. The outside is made of suede material, and it's quite nice as well. Quite a nice material. The pockets are massive, like literally. It's got like a belt around here at the bottom, which is, I guess you can take it out if you don't want it. I mean, it's quite nice, like leaving it on. The only thing I like from Pretty Little Things, I'm trying to think what I think is this coat. Everything else was like really thin material, really see-through. The jumper as well, that was meant to be like a thick jumper, is see-through. I've never seen a jumper that is see-through in my life. Like, what's the point? Because it's meant to be thick, and if it's see-through, then what? Like, then what's the actual point of wearing a jumper? One thing I also liked from Pretty Little Thing was the mustard dress. I love the colour and I think it looks great again on dark skin. And that's it really. I didn't like the material because it was quite thin, and as I said, you will have some issue ironing. But other than that, I don't think I liked anything else from Pretty Little Thing. That's everything for me today, and if you guys enjoy my haul video, and if you guys want me to do more haul videos, please do let me know. But yeah, that's everything from me. I am gonna keep this going. I love it. I love it. If you guys enjoy this video, please share and subscribe and like my video, and let all your friends know that I'm here in YouTube doing videos. Okay, so and also if you guys do enjoy this kind of video, then please do let me know and tell me if you want me to do like more haul videos, because I obviously love shopping and I wouldn't mind doing them because I find them quite more chatty. So that's everything really from me today. So please share and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye guys.